In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 overheating laptop. If your laptop feels hot, the fans are loud, or performance suddenly drops, it often means the CPU or GPU is working harder than it needs to. The fastest fix is to close unnecessary apps and background processes, and the best place to do that is Task Manager. Start by opening Task Manager with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+SK. This brings up a live view of everything running. You should land on the Processes view, which lists apps at the top and background processes below. First, let's target anything putting heavy load on the CPU. Click the CPU column header to sort by usage, so the most demanding items float to the top. If you see an app consistently using a high percentage, that's a likely heat contributor. Before you end it, save your work in that app if possible. Closing a program from within its own window is always safest. If it's frozen or you can't get to it, select the item in Task Manager and click End Task. You'll usually see an immediate drop in CPU load, which reduces heat and lets the fans calm down. Now check the GPU usage. If you don't see a GPU column, right-click on any column header and enable GPU and GPU Engine. Then sort by GPU to surface anything that's pushing your graphics hard, like a game, a video editor, or a browser tab with heavy visuals. As with CPU-heavy apps, close them normally when you can, or select and choose End Task if they're not responding. Take a look at the Background Processes section too. Sometimes an updater, Cloud Sync, or a helper utility can spike usage. If you recognize a process you don't need right now, and it's consuming a lot, you can end it. Be careful here. Avoid terminating core Windows components or anything you don't recognize. When in doubt, leave items labeled Windows, System, or Service Host alone. Focus on apps you installed or clearly named tasks that are misbehaving. Give the system a minute after ending tasks. As CPU and GPU usage falls, temperatures follow. You might notice fan speeds dropping and the laptop becoming more responsive. If you regularly hit high usage, try keeping fewer demanding apps open at the same time and repeat this quick check when things heat up. To recap, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ES, sort by CPU and GPU to find the biggest offenders, then close or end only the unnecessary tasks you recognize. This simple routine often brings temperatures back under control fast and keeps your Windows 11 laptop running smoothly.